At a certain inflection point in your life, you can feel like Don Quixote. I was fighting windmills that no one else wanted to fight. Everyone was buying price. Everybody didn't care about cancer, dermatitis, ocular damage, damage to the environment, killing the fish down the stream. All they cared about was how cheap could they clean stuff. And so here I was feeling like I was standing on the corner waiting for the Rose Parade to go by, and the parade doesn't come. So my mission was, why continue to be cavemen when you know how to land on the moon? Why would you turn away from that? And all of a sudden, the world starts to turn in my direction. And fortunately, we had done the $3 million worth of research. And I was determined to know what happens downstream after you clean up the oil. Do you kill all the fish like Exide and a lot of the other products that were out there? It might work, but it kills everything in its path. And I didn't want to wake up one morning and find out that I was part of that problem. The whole goal here is that everything we do provides a positive impact on an issue that you would have in your environment, whether it's NASA, or whether it's a restaurant, or whether it's a catering house, or whether it's your home. So the credibility of our product and the uniqueness of our product comes through in this university like a really strong beacon of truth.